Hey pumpkins, I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're going to attempt to do this design. This design is actually by the person right here, YVY Nails, and it was posted by the Glitter Nail, and I love this design. So this is what we're going to try to do today. Now, I've already prepped some of my nails already. So I'm going to get started in showing you how to accomplish this look. I'll be right back. So hey guys, this is what I came up with. Now, it's not exactly like the actual picture. It is a little different. I hope you guys could see. Nope, that's not the picture. I'm sorry. Let's go back. All right. It's not exactly like the actual picture, but it's close enough. Of course, hers looks a little darker than mine, but actually it's because of the screen. I hope you can kind of see it. But also the different polishes that we use is a little different. So we're going to try to emulate this design. So let's get ready. Now, this is my first time recording myself doing my own nails. So I'm going to try my best to stay in focus so you guys can see. So, all right, here we go. I left 3 nails. As you can see, just this color, which I use. This a limited edition, The Giver. I don't know if it was a TV show or a movie, but here's the name of it. It says Friends Forever, right? And that's the number and the actual name of the polish by China Glaze. So that's the color that I used right there. Then on top of that, I also use this gold as the ombre. And I used this in my last video that I did an ombre with. And here is the number and the name of that polish. And the number is 20030, and it's Coloraholic. That's the name of it. And I believe this brand is called Nanny Coco. If I'm wrong, please correct me, guys. But that's what I think the name is. So we're going to start by going ahead and using one of these makeup brushes. Sponges. And you can actually get this sponge from the Dollar Tree, CVS, or wherever they sell like makeup sponges, brushes, and things like that. So what you want to do, and I'm going to try to stay in frame. For this particular design, I usually would use this, which is Cuticle Nails, the manicure masking fluid, but because we're not doing a full ombre, I'm not going to do that. Now, if you were going to really do a full ombre, I would suggest this product. But since we're not going to do a full ombre, I'm just going to show you really quick how to accomplish this cheetah print look. All right. So you want to put a little bit of polish maybe in the corner, and then you want to dab wherever it is that you want that gold to be. And on the other nails I did, if you noticed, I put the gold in different spots. So they're not literally like you have gold here, gold there, and then you got gold over here, gold down there. So each nail is in a different location. So on this nail, I'm going to put some right here. And if I had that masking fluid, none of that nail polish would be getting around my cuticle area or my nails whatsoever. But I was being a little lazy today. and did not feel like putting the masking fluid on, especially when we're only doing a few spots. So on this nail, I'm going to put some right here and then down here on that side. Just tapping lightly the gold onto the nail. And then let's do the thumb. And since we did this one, this side, and that down there, we're going to switch it and we're going to do this side. And maybe a little right here. So you want to go over that one more time just so that the color can be very, very pigmented. So you can really see it. Because sometimes when you do the first layer of ombre, it comes up a little light. But once you do the second or third ombre, then it definitely darkens up and it becomes the color that you desire. So those are my 3 nails on camera. So on camera, I'm going to go ahead and show you really quickly how I clean up around the cuticle area. And it's real simple and easy. I just take my brush, and the brush I'm using today, unfortunately, it's a little scratched out because it's been loved, but I think it's 10. I think the brush size is a 10. So yeah, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just clean that area up. Now, once they dry and I've cleaned up all of the nails, I'm going to be right back to show you the next step. So, hey guys, now that we're all pretty much cleaned up, it's still a little shimmer still on my nails. You can see it. It's only because it was a lot of shimmer in that gold polish. Now, once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and use this nail polish, and it's by Flawless. And I'm not sure if you guys can see, but the name says Coffee Please. That is the name of the actual polish. So what we want to do is we want to just make little spots on the actual nail where we want to put the cheetah print at. So you just want to go ahead and do a few spots here and there, wherever you desire to have your cheetah print at. And don't get me wrong, guys. You can use different colors. You don't have to use the same colors that I'm using today. You can definitely use like rainbow colors or different colors. You can make the spots bigger. You can make them smaller. Like, it's whatever is your creativity takes you to. Like, wherever it is, you go with it. Just go with the flow. And it's going to turn out great. Like, practice, practice, practice definitely makes perfect. Like, I have really spent a lot of time, guys, just practicing on myself, other people. Like, I really took my time out and really practiced this craft. Now, don't get me wrong, I am not really that ambidextrous, so it is kind of hard doing my right hand using my left, but I try my best. So sometimes, if you can notice, like, this hand looks different from this hand. Like, the cheetah print is kind of like more spaced out on this hand versus this hand is more like tighter and together. But I'll be back, guys. I'm going to go ahead and let my nails dry, and then I'll be back to show you how I do my cheetah print. Okay, guys, so now that the nails are dry, your brown spots, your gold, everything is pretty much dry. You want to go ahead and get you some black paint. Now, I have this black paint. It's by Apple Barrel, and this one is an outdoor gloss. Now, I usually don't use the outdoor gloss, but at the time, this was the only paint that they had at the time. They didn't have their regular black paint. So this was the only option that I had. Unfortunately, my video cut off for me. So I already did this hand. So I still have 2 more to do. So don't worry, you can actually see me do it. But yes, this is the only paint that they had at the time, so I picked it up. All right, so let me show you how I accomplished the cheetah print. Which nail should I do first? I guess I'll do my thumb. So you want to take your daughter. I'm using the same exact brush from cleaning up my nails. So this is the brush, and I use just to clean up around that area. But I'm also going to use the daughter part. Let me show you the daughter part on the end of it to actually do my cheetah print. All right. So I'm going to pick up some paint off my palette. And I think I got this from like Michael's. And then I'm just going to go ahead, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to dab it and drag it. And then I'm going to put a dot on the other side, if you can see that. So we're going to, again, dab and drag, dot. Again, dab, drag, dot. Drag, dab, and then dot. I know I'm not saying it as I'm doing it. Sorry, guys, but drag. Oh, that was a lot. I might have to fix that one, so I messed that one up. There's your blooper moment. And then drag. And then you want to go ahead and put some dots. Boop, boop, just in the white spaces or gold spaces that have really nothing there. You want to just go ahead and add dots. So yeah, actually this one isn't that bad. I'm just going to put a dot there, and it just looks like a darker cheetah print. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my thumb so you guys can see the same thing. Just dab and drag it. You don't want to dig into the nail whatsoever. You just want to kind of like dab it and drag it. And then add that dot. Dab, drag, dot. Dab, drag, dot. Dab, drag, dot. And maybe add a dot right there, a couple of dots here and here, one right there, one right here, more dragging and dotting, more dragging and dotting. So yeah, and you have your cheetah print look right there. All right, guys, so I'm going to let these three nails dry. I might put like a brown spot. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and do it on camera so you guys can see. I'm going to use that brown again. And I'm just going to add where I got that thick line, a brown kind of spot right there. so it won't look so dark and it looks more like a cheetah print design. So guys, I'm going to let those 3 nails dry and then I'll be back. Okay, so my nails are dry and I just wanted to show you these 2 products, guys. Now, this is the OPI regular matte top coat that, you know, I love. And then there's the Gel Color Club top coat that I love. So either way, when you want to go matte, these are great products. I know there's other products. If you have any suggestions, please add them in the comments. But for today, we're going to use this. The only reason I'm using this instead of gel is because, you know, with gel, you have to drill it off. You can't just use acetone to get gel off. You have to literally drill it off. Unless you're going to soak all your acrylics off in acetone. But I plan on redoing my nails soon because I'm going to need a fill-in soon. So I'm just going to use this regular gel top coat so I can just easily remove it with acetone. Alright, so all you have to do, just like regular polish, hope I'm in frame, guys. And all you got to do is take your polish and just paint over that area on the whole nail to give it that matte look. I know it's super shiny nail, but once it dries, it is definitely going to be matte like these. Just like these. So it's definitely going to take some time to dry. So I'm going to do the other ones and then I'll be back with the finished product, guys. Hey guys, so here is the final look. My cheetah print nails inspired by, sorry for my ring light, but by this photo from, again, YV Nails, and it was posted by the Glitter Nail on Instagram. So if you want to go follow those 2 people, you can. My Instagram name is Caramel Mommy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If there is anything that you know that you can share, please definitely leave it in the comment section. If there is any content that you would like me to do or a video you would like me to make, please leave that in the comment section. And I hope you enjoyed the final look. I hope you enjoyed this whole video, actually. Please come back. There will be more videos to come. Bye, pumpkins.